Alright, I just thought I'd shoot a quick video. I have a 2010 Polaris 800S right here. I've been working on and getting the motor rebuilt, transmission rebuilt, and everything. I just thought I'd shoot a quick video on these switch panels. I see people are selling online custom switch panels and all just to fit right in there in that perimeter. They're going for 60 bucks, 30 bucks, 20 bucks. Well, I'm gonna tell you how to make one for not even $1. My tools I use: a side grinder, X-Acto knife, and some electrical tape. What I did, before I get too far, this is what I wanted to shoot a video. What I did was I took some electrical tape as like a masking tape, laid over the complete little shape there. I cut it out with a razor blade, cut out that shape and everything. Well, and then I took it and I put it on a sign. It was a little sign they were throwing away at work. Little thin piece of sheet metal. It's real sturdy though. So I took that electrical tape, the cutout I made, and I put it on there. Well, I made a switch panel. Fits right in there nicely. All you gotta do is screw it up and cut out the holes for the switches. Do it however you want, and everything works out. I just thought I'd shoot a quick video. I haven't seen anybody do it. I might do some panels for the sides here. Not sure yet, because I'm not sure if I want to do some switches there. But I did have 3 switches, one for my 4-wheel drive, the lights, and the winch, and my 12-volt. But I wanted to build a switch panel just to make it look a little nicer. And I see this helps out a lot, because look, I'm spending not even $1 just using a side grinder, a piece of sheet metal, and some tape and a razor blade to make a switch panel. So I just wanted to do a quick video on that. Well, I know a lot of people are just buying them online and everything, but I really wanted to make a video showing you how you can make your own for not even $1.